Did you wait too long? Tell him that you love him, but he's already gone, darling. Did you make two wrongs? Know that daddy never made a right before, darling. You were never made to be the judge, darling. He never changed his way for me to budge, darling. It's feeling like a cold, dark winter and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to leave, yeah. It's feeling like a cold, dark winter and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to leave. One day I'll be everything you ever wanted. Until then I'll be out here fighting like it's nothing. Through the cold, dark winter. Did you say goodbye, knowing damn well everybody gon' die someday? Did you waste my time, knowing damn well we can press rewind? One day I'll be everything you ever wanted. Until then I'll be out here fighting like it's nothing. Through the cold, dark winter. It's feeling like a cold, dark winter and the sun still behind the trees.
Grand River today. Having there locked and loaded. It was a long practice, but I think we found some fish. We'll see if they're still there this morning or not. I'm hoping, because we didn't find a lot of fish, but we found some. First flight today. Weather is a lot better than yesterday. We practiced yesterday. Weather's a lot better today. Hopefully you guys are in for a good ride today. So we're gonna get going here in about 15 minutes. We'll see what happens, boys. So stay tuned. Time to lock in.
Oh yeah, true. Okay, I'm gonna get the net prepped just in case here.
That herring clip's gonna have to go on the YouTube video. Dude, I thought we were smoking it, man.
There ain't no growlers out here.
I was gonna keep it or maybe that's not Joe Rogan, but whatever that is.
Here we go. Look at this. It's a brush pile, son. Steve, what does that bring in? It's him. It's him. On today's episode of Catching Aaron's Butt Bass.
Tom Big.
Show him this big. Show him this big.
Get in here. Get in this boat.
Dude. Absolute monster. Going back. Going back. Dude, what the f is that? Oh,
Hey, we're in a tournament competing for like $700, and this is what we're doing right now. I mean, stick in this. Like, I mean, it's a fish, right? We haven't caught one all morning yet.
we're gonna win.
You think they'll let us weigh it?
Is this legal? Maybe there's hope on the way.
Oh! He'd go.
Yeah.
I got one. Good. He's got me in the last hill.
You actually have one on?
I got him. He got me.
Get those next. I got it. Oh, dude.
He's in the ladder. I was like, dude. Net it. Get in the boat. Yes, sir. Let's go. Watch it. Come on. Dude, what is that? Like, oh, he wasn't coming off. That's a 3.
That's it's definitely very high. I just blew out the whole dock.
You had netted it. It was like
We're going on a dinner plate.
I think like a 3. Okay.
I would say so.
I think it's the overpower working here. $3.04.
Dude, what could he say down now?
That little cord right there.
I don't think so. I think
Yeah, look at it. When you pull it, it moves. Get it?
What the? It's a freaking minnow trap.
Hold up.
Yeah, you're good. That was dude, I have put the dumbest out here.
Just see if you can slow it down for just a second. I can probably get it back here. Oh, the sink will stay in there. Huh?
We don't got one. Choked.
Yeah, 229.
That was the most anticlimactic punch.
That's wow.
You got him? Oh, there's your first punching pass, Bubba. I just felt. Alright, what one's number 3? I don't even know. Good down. Number 5. Heads up. Oh. What is going on? Dude, I had it the lily pads and it went over your head like that. Went over your head and I caught it back and it just lifted your head a little bit. No. Got him. Yep. Good. I don't think so. I don't know. No. Damn. There's a massive hook there. It was stuck in the pads and I couldn't tell if it was like actually a big one or not. Oh, I got a fish, I guess. I didn't even feel it was on. Oh, it might be close. I don't think so. I do not think so. Yeah, he's on 13. I don't know. Really hard to tell. Size at in this plate. The green one. Another 13. Just can't find the bigs right now, boys. Oh, little guy in, man. I thought he was about a 4-pounder. Think we back off him for a little bit and try somewhere else, and then I mean we could try to find some other bayous that have stuff like this. Maybe I mean we could go, isn't there I don't want to switch sides on him. No, it's not bad, dude. Alright, 6 pounds. Dude, I don't know why these things fight so hard. And it's only like a freaking one, I don't know, high 1. But it acts like it's a 6-pounder. Oh, jeez, I was like, what the hell's going on?
from him?
Some bass boat went by.
Oh.
Big. We gotta handle it. Oh my god. That's how that shit changes every year. Booyah! Shabooski! Yeah, Shabooski. Oh my god. Dude! Wait, please. $295. That's still
Really? Dude, that seems bigger than 295. Did you get him?
What is it?
I think it's a dogfish.
No, it's not. Dude, that might help. I know. No, it wasn't. It came up on the surface.
Oh, you saw it?
Yeah, it came up on the surface. I'm like, there's fish right there, and my line goes like this. It goes, it's slagging. Goes. I'm like,
No. Dude, I got one. Big. Dude, if this is a bass, it's a big one, dude.
my line's still in the water, so watch it.
Oh yeah.
Jeez, no, is that gonna call though?
I don't know, dude. It felt freaking
No, it's
heavy.
Dude, this freaking steelhead's big. Get my. Oh wait, hold on.
I don't know if it's gonna
No, that
call
ain't
or
gonna
not.
call. I don't know if it will.
It's kind of heavy though.
All right, hold on. I gotta get close.
Why do I think everything's so big? Do the fish out here just like have turbochargers in them or something?
What is that thing?
What the frick? What are we doing out here right now? No, only 1.6. Why did I think that was so big? I'm sorry guys, I don't know what's going on with me. I think every fish is big. I hope you guys can see that there's like 150 boats going past us every second right now. Snap that right off. Another one. Smallie. Yeah. I think, yep. We got a smallie. Ah, jeez, this thing is, ow, my gosh. Dude, this thing is out of control. Alright boys, well, we got like 12 something. I don't know what's going on out here anymore. We got like 12 something. The launch looks like it's gonna be a mess. This is gonna be fun. See what we got. See if we can keep the AOI run going. Stay tuned.
Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get